family says their fight to get justice for their son is getting even harder, and they blame the Fulton County DA's office.
This all stems from 2 deadly shootings in the Sweet Auburn neighborhood on July 5th of 2020. 11 Alive's Bobeth Gates joins us live at a memorial for the victims near where that shooting happened in Bobeth. The Ingram family here says they're fed up.
That's exactly right. And you can see this memorial behind me for Joshua Ingram. He was one of 2 people killed, shot and killed, and 13 other wounded that day. Now, the Ingram family tells me they were summoned to court this week for what they thought was the murder trial of someone involving their son's death. But when they got there, things were different.
My husband and I were strung along these 3 years for something that had nothing, absolutely nothing to do with Joshua. Nothing.
Sherilyn and Rodney Ingram's son Joshua was among 2 people killed when shots rang out during a 4th of July celebration in 2020. 13 others were wounded that day near the intersection of Auburn Avenue and Jesse Hill Jr. Drive.
And that was the worst moment in my life.
Since the incident, the Ingrams say they were led to believe the case filed against Shaheed Reed was about their son's murder. But during trial this week, the family learned that was not the case.
They called us, come down there. She got to take off work and go to court. Every time they mention to us, we go down and have to go to court, we are thinking that we are going to hear the case that has something to do with our son's death, not nobody else's.
And none of this crap had nothing to do with Joshua, but they wanted us in court. This case was about one young man who actually shot 2 of the young men.
The Ingrams say attending the most recent court case this week was the final straw that resulted in Sherilyn losing her job. And now she only wishes things would have been handled differently.
I believe that the DA's office should have been forthright, honest, truthful to us, not have us coming to court for bond hearings, for calendar hearings, and all sorts of hearings for someone else that had nothing to do with Josh's death. I don't trust the judicial system any longer because I've been lied to.
Now, we reached out to the district attorney's office. They told us our office, in a statement, our office is in regular contact with the Ingram family, and our understanding was they wanted to be informed of the status of the case charging Mr. Reed, in addition to the status of the case regarding the man indicted for the murder of Joshua Ingram. We apologize if that created confusion. Now, the DA's office also tells us that the case involving that Joshua Ingram's murder, or person charged with Joshua Ingram's murder, is currently still pending. Send it back to you.
All right.